So now we are learning about descriptive statistics. We went through categorical variables. We looked at frequencies, proportions, bar chart, and pie chart. Now we are going to talk about numerical variables. So I believe you remember what is mean, median, and mode. And for that variable, we are going to calculate these things. And if you remember, I told you in the class that it's actually very easy, and it will take only a few seconds to do such analysis. So you remember the histogram, and pins represent intervals, not values. And as you can see here, two people had height between 140 and 150. They're here. Anyways, I'm skipping this part. Let's come to analysis. So I'm explaining you things here as well. I am making you familiarize with the descriptive statistics, and this is how you actually kind of see the resemblance between the output and the histogram and how we do it. This is actually a very old version of SPSS, so let me do it for you. We go to, again, analyze, descriptives, and then we go to frequencies. Again, this time we have height. We put it here. We click on the statistics. Bam! We have mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, minimum, maximum, range, and even quartiles. Let's click continue, and then let's click OK. Yay! So this is actually the same table. With this table, you'll have all the variables and all the values, and the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, everything is here. So next thing you want to do in a histogram. That's easy as well. Sorry, so this is what, and okay, I was gonna show you this. So we did calculate frequencies. But if you calculate frequencies for numerical variable, it goes like this. You see? It's so nice, so colorful. Anyways, let's continue. We need a histogram now. We don't do this. Don't calculate this. This is unnecessary, but it looks beautiful. Let's go to analyze, descriptives, and frequencies. These are, we are gonna go for charts. And this is histogram. Just click that and continue. Yeah, yeah, this is your histogram here. Actually, there are other ways of doing this. I will, no, I think if we come here, for example, I'm showing the other options. Height. Okay, you can kind of, this is a bit limited though, and this is just very limited. So skip that. And explore is quite nice. You can do um, comparative statistics. We are going to learn about it. So for now, I'm just coming to plots, and you're coming to histogram. Okay, you have your histogram again here, and we are going to do other stuff later on. So we learned about mean, median, mode, standard deviation, min, max, range. Now you can calculate it very easily through frequencies. And we also have this fancy thing here. This is box plot. Let's look at them. So you have your quartiles here, your percentiles, and this is your histogram, and this is your box plot. They are actually the same thing with different representations, and these are your outliers. So I didn't show you how to calculate the quartiles. Let's go for that. And go to, click on the SPSS window. Okay, let's go to frequencies, statistics. You can add percentiles from here. 50 and 75. And now, and for charts, you don't have box plot here. Okay, so let's continue. And so you have your percentiles here. Again, so you can just unclick this one, so it's not gonna calculate the frequency tables again. So let's see, it's just this one. I was just trying to show you how unnecessary it is. And so for box plot, you can do it through the explore menu, but we use this menu for more complex stuff. I'll show you later. Anyways, you have graphs here. You can do histograms, box plots, bar charts, pie charts. You all have it here. So, no, sorry guys. And let's do box plots. Go with the simple one. Let's define our variable is height. And what you can do, let's create the first one. Oh, sorry. So this is for just one variable. You need to come to analyze, graph, and then click on the box plot, simple one. But if you choose groups, it compares groups. You need to choose separate variables to have box plot for just one. Define, put it here, and click OK. Now you have this one. The other one is box plot. Again, groups, define. You have your height, and let's say for ethnicity, let's see what it does. You see, it all are different. In our presentation, I compared the gender, but ethnicity is like a bit fun, maybe you should try to interpret this one. And so, yeah, that's all for you. You can always come back and check the analysis here. Thank you, guys.